Presenting the Epson EcoTank L3110 all-in-one ink tank printer. The printer is ideal for regular or frequent home and small office usage requiring more than 300 prints per month. The printer uses the ink tank technology, which is ideal for high-volume printing at low running cost. This all-in-one printer can perform print, scan and copy functions and can print in color as well as black and white. Connect to the printer using the USB cable. You get a high printing speed of up to 33 black and white pages or 15 color pages per minute. The printer supports multiple paper sizes to help you with your various print requirements. Get low printing costs at just 7 paise for black and white prints and 18 paise for color prints. The compatible ink bottle for this printer is T003 Black, T003 Cyan, T003 Magenta, T003 Yellow. 1 unit of each bottle comes free with this printer. This printer supports borderless printing for Photolab quality prints. This product comes with 1 year on-site or 30,000 prints warranty, whichever comes earlier. This printer comes with free installation by the brand. Check the product page for more details. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods, or avail no-cost EMI where available. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.